Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 8 HCF and LCM. So let's discuss homework answers first. Exercise 8B, 7th question. Out of 15, 16, 21 and 28, find out all the pairs of co-prime numbers. So you will get the answer 15 and 16. First pair, then 15 and 28. Second pair, then third, 16 and 21. Here you can see 15 and 16. There is no common factor. So that two are prime numbers, co-prime numbers. Okay. Then 15 and 28. No common factor. So that two are co-prime numbers. Then 16 and 21. Also no common factor. So that they are also co-prime numbers. Next, exercise 8C, in that using the common multiple method, find the LCM of the following. Third one, 3, 6, 9 and 12. So you will get the answer. LCM will be 36. Next question, second one, find the LCM of each of the following group of numbers using first one, the prime factor method, and second, the common division method. So using these two methods, you need to find the LCM of the given numbers. So first one, 18, 24 and 96. So first method, we can use prime factor method. In this method, first step is do the prime factorization of given numbers. So here 18, 24 and 96, do the prime factorization of 18 first. Okay, 18 you can divide by 2, you will get a 9. 9 you can divide by 3, you will get 3. 3 by 3 you will get 1. So 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. You can write 2 into 3 into 3. Here 2 into 3 into 3. How can you write this? 3 into 3, it is in index form, it is 3 raised to 2. Okay, that you know. 3 into 3, it is 3 square or 3 raised to the power 2. Next, 24. So, 24 on prime factorization. 24 you can divide by 2, you will get 12. 12 you can divide by 2, you will get 6. 6 you can divide by 2, you will get 3. 3 you can divide by 3, you will get 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, that is 2 into 2. How can you write? 2 square into, 2 into 2 into 2. It is 2 raised to the power 3 or 2 cube into 3. Okay, so 24 in index form, it is 2 cube into 3. Next, 96. So 96 you can divide by 2. You will get 48. 48 by 2 it is 24. 24 by 2 it is 12. 12 by 2 6. 6 by 2 3. 3 by 3 1. Okay. So 96 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is how many times 2 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 raised to 5 into 3. Okay, so 96 in index form, it is 2 raised to 5 into 3. Now step 2. It is find the prime factors used here, that you know. Here in all these numbers or in these numbers, the prime factors used are 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3 are the prime factors here used in these numbers. So find the highest power of each prime factor. So highest power of 2, first you can see. 2 means it is 2 raised to 1. So here power is 1. Now in 24, the power of 2 it is 3. In 96, the power of 2 it is 5. Which one is the highest power here? 2 raised to 5. So that you can select. Okay. Next you can take 3. 3 here 3 square. Power is 2. 3. Simply 3 means it is 3 raised to 1. So here power is 1. Here also 3 means 3 raised to 1. So which one is the highest power among these? It is 3 square. Now our required LCM will be the product of this prime factor with the highest power. Okay, 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 2. This is the required LCM of 18, 24 and 96. Now 2 raised to 5 you can find 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 32 you will get. 32 into 3 square. That is 3 into 3, 9. The answer is 288. 32 into 9 it is 288. So the LCM of 18, 24 and 96 it is 288. Next, common division method. So by using this method you need to find the LCM of 18, 24 and 96. So how it is? In common division method, write the given numbers in a horizontal line like this. 18, 24, 96. Okay. Now these three numbers you can divide by 2. Actually we are doing prime factorization here. 18, 24 and 96. Do the prime factorization of these numbers together. Now 18 by 2 it is 9. 24 by 2 it is 12. 96 by 2 it is 48. Okay. Now 9, 12 and 48 you can divide by 3. Okay. So 9 by 3 it is 3. 12 by 3 it is 4. 48 by 3. 48 by 3 it is 16. Now here 3, 4, 16. You can't find a number with which you can divide these three numbers. ഈ മൂന്ന് നമ്പേഴ്സിനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു നമ്പർ നമുക്കറിയില്ല. സോ ഏതെങ്കിലും രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സിനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന നമ്പർ ഉണ്ടോ എന്നുള്ളത് യു ക്യാൻ ചെക്ക്. 4 and 16. You can divide 4 and 16 by 2. Use only prime numbers. 4 യൂസ് ചെയ്യരുത്. 4ഉം 16ഉം 4 കൊണ്ടും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ബട്ട് 4 is a composite number. Okay. Use only prime numbers for division. Okay. So 4 and 16 you can divide by 2. So you can take a 2 here. Okay. 3 you can't divide by 2. So write 3 itself. 3നെ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് 3 തന്നെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ലൈനിൽ എഴുതാം. Now 4 divided by 2, 2. 16 by 2 it is 8. Now 2 and 8 you can divide by 2. So 3 you can't divide by 2. So write 3 itself. 2 by 2, 1. 8 by 2, 4. Okay. Now 3 and 4. 3 and 4 you can consider. 1 no need. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So you can ignore that. 3നെയും 4നെയും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു നമ്പർ നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Because 3 and 4 are co-primes. So you can stop doing division. Now required LCM will be, you can multiply these prime factors. ഈ prime factors multiply ചെയ്യുക. ഒപ്പം തന്നെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ലൈനിലെ numbers except 1. 1 no need to take. Okay, ലാസ്റ്റ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് ലൈനിലുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സും മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാം. സോ you will get 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 4. So you can write 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay. Now you will get the answer 288. On multiplying these numbers you will get 288 only. This is the required LCM of 18, 24 and 96. In the first method also you got this answer. Any method you use, you will get the same answer only. Okay. Now second question, 100, 150 and 200. So first you can find the LCM by prime factor method. Then you can find the LCM by common division method. So prime factor method. Do the prime factorization of 100, 150 and 200. So first 100. 100 you can divide by 2, you will get 50. 50 you can divide by 2, you will get 25. 25 by 5. It is 5. 5 by 5, 1. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. You can write 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 2 into 2, it is 2 square, into 5 into 5, it is 5 square. Okay, this is in index form. The prime factorization of 100, it is 2 square into 5 square. Next number 150. Okay, so doing the prime factorization of 150. What you will get? 150 you can divide by 2. You will get 75. 75 you can divide by 3 only. So 3 you will get 25. 25 you can divide by 5. You will get 5. 5 by 5, 1. Okay, so 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. You can write 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. In index form it is 2 into 3 into 5 into 5, it is 5 square. Okay, next 200. Doing the prime factorization of 200, you can divide by 2, 100. 100 by 2, 50. 50 by 2, 25. 25 by 5, 5. 5 by 5, 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. That is 2 into 2 into 2, it is 2 cube into 5 square. 5 into 5, it is 5 square. Now here 2 is coming, 3 is coming, and 5 is coming in this. In index form you can check 2 is coming, then 5 is coming, 3 is coming. So first you can select a 2. The power of 2 here, it is 2. In this it is 1. In the third one it is 3. So which one you will select? Greatest power. 2 cube. Okay. Next 5 you can select. In this it is 2. In 150 it is 2. In 200 also 2. So you can select any. 5 square. 5 raised to 2 itself you can take, because in 3 numbers 5 square is coming. So one time you can take a 5 raised to 2. Okay. Next 3 is coming here. So here 3 is not coming. Here also 3 is not coming. But here 3 is coming. So that 3 you can take. Okay. Highest power 3 raised to 1 it is. Okay. So that you can, that also you should take. Okay. So required LCM will be 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 1. Okay. So 2 cube it is 8 into 5 square it is 25 into 3 raised to 1 it is 3. Now find the product of 8 into 25 into 3. You will get 600. So this is the LCM of 100, 150 and 200. Next, you can find LCM by common division method. So write the numbers in a horizontal line like this: 100, 150, 200. Now do the prime factorization of these numbers. So 100, 150, 200 you can divide by 2. So 50, 150 by 2, 75, 200 by 200. Now you can divide 50, 75 and 100 by 5. Okay. So 50 by 5 it is 10. 75 by 5 it is 12. 15. Now 100 by 5 it is 20. Again 10, 15 and 20 you can divide by 5. 10 by 5 2. 15 by 5 3. 20 by 5 4. So 2, 3 and 4. 2 and 4 you can divide by 2. Okay. So 2 by 2 1. 3 you can't divide by 2. So write 3 itself. 4 you can divide by 2. You will get 2. Okay. So now 3 and 2 are co-primes. So you can stop here. Now LCM will be product of these prime factors and the numbers in the last line. So 2 into 5 into 5 into 2. Here 2 into 5 into 5 into 2. into 3 into 2. These are the numbers in the last line. No need to take that. So on finding the product, you will get 600. Okay. In the last method also, in prime factor method also, you got the LCM 600. So this is common division method. Okay. Do the third, fourth and fifth question as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.